Well, if you have a partner who snores, you know how annoying it can be, but that pesky noise could actually be a sign of something more serious. Experts say snoring is often a sign of sleep apnea when the upper airway muscles collapse while sleeping. Now, other symptoms include waking up during the night, daytime sleepiness, and not breathing while you're sleeping. If you or someone you know has any of these symptoms, you should speak with your physician.
We've learned that people who sleep don't get at least 7 hours of sleep per night, and this includes people with sleep apnea who have a lot of sleep disruptions, are at higher risk to develop dementia over the course of their lifetime.
And of course, snoring can be caused by other factors like when you're sick or dealing with allergies. In those cases, it's temporary. Doctors say it's likely nothing to worry about.